What's that?
Thank you. Let's go, guys. Hello. Go.
We encourage you to hold seated and avoid blocking the order throughout the ceremony.
First recognition day.
Leon Riley Conrad B. Thoughtfulness Award and Literary Appreciation Award.
Congratulations, 4th grade awardees. Performing Arts Award, Thoughtfulness Award,
Abad, local and international.
participate bronze medalist in national rank in International Science Olympiad Competition of Southeast Asia. Congratulations. Advocate Osaka, Japan. Recognize
You have an award.
congratulations. Now let's move on with our scholastic. Once again, let's give him a round of applause. Acevedo Zachary Jewel. Once again, Acevedo Zachary Jewel L.
Salamat po. Thank you po. Are you proud of your kids? Wow. Ano sabi mo kanina? Mana sa'yo? Mana sa'yo. Hindi mana sa akin?
Kaunti.
Grabe siya sa akin. Okay. Thank you, Lord. Diretso sa mall. Kain na! I've been waiting on Romantic baboy. Wow! Sarap! Hot!
Kahapon sinabi ni Foreign Affairs Secretary Tess Lazaro na wala